Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 3, Episode 44, and in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is a compound microscope? Does anyone know? Does anyone want to take a guess? Anyone? Alright, so let me go ahead and answer the question. So what is a compound microscope? Well, a compound microscope is a microscope that uses multiple lenses to enlarge the image of the sample. Some of the parts in there that you need to know about are the eyepiece, which is referred to the ocular lenses. And those ocular lenses, there's multiple of these magnification lenses, and they're on what we call an objective turret or revolver, which holds those there. And so you can look at the object at various magnification. Now, these types of microscopes are fairly simple microscopes in comparison to some of the other types, which we'll, of course, talk about in future videos. Or if you remember from the previous video, I mentioned some other ones that I'm sure sounded quite unique and you wonder what they do. Now, the light microscopes used in a typical science class is a compound light microscope. So this, referring to the compound microscope, is one of the most common used microscopes that most of us have used or will use. Pretty cool. Alright, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this. Did you know a squid has 10 tentacles? Yes, you heard me right. The squid has 10 tentacles. Pretty cool. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that will be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye. Take care.